My name is Ghezaime, and I'm a medical doctor. I work in one of the private hospitals in town. My bills were running at somewhere around about 1,000 plus every month, and I have a big family with 5 kids and lots of appliances, and the house is like almost like a cyber cafe every day with all the computers running. One particular stage I was doing some computer search. Basically I found your company on based on just a web search. The first time the name came across was from a web search, but then I didn't really pursue it any further until I met you guys at Home Deck. After a thorough discussion with one of your representatives, so I thought, okay, I'll just take the plunge and get him to come and do some assessment. Your representative came and he was very helpful, and we did the calculation, he did the measurement and whatnot, and after that he put in the projection, like how much saving you can make over the years and what is the capital outlay when you can recoup back your investment, and it sounded very good. The installation went fairly smoothly. The regulatory approval was done by the company. It was very straightforward. I didn't have to do anything. PNB came and changed the meter. Everything was handled by the company as well. Once everything was put in, everything worked okay, and you can see almost immediate reduction in the electricity bill in the next month. And I have to say that my electricity bill went down by half. I used to be paying over 1,000 every month. Now I pay somewhere around 400 to 500 every month, a year plus already. So and I'm quite happy with the performance. Setup is quite good as well, because you can actually access the system through your Wi-Fi. You can see the function. So far it has been good. If I'm not mistaken, there's some fairly good warranty as well for the first 5 years for the inverters. I hope by the end of 5 years I would have recouped most of my investment already anyway. And I think going by the calculation put in by your representative last time, I think by about 6-7 years or so I should probably be getting my modal back lah. I have to say I've been fairly satisfied with the support services, with the same guy who was the guy I met at Home Deck last time is still keeping in touch and checking on how's the system going. So I'd say that's a fairly good after sales service. It's been very good. In fact, I have recommended the system to one of my colleagues as well, and I think he has installed it as well in his place. Well, I think he's happy with his system also as well at the moment. I would strongly recommend the renewables anyway for anyone. Okay, and for me, I've been using Verdant Solar, and they've been very good to me.